from Philippine Visayan Society of Nevada. Round-trip tickets to Hong Kong via Cebu Pacific, courtesy of Robinson's Galleria Cebu. Trophy from the Cebu City Government. Sash from attorney Nadia Girani. Bouquet of flowers from Simple.
Yes, we will announce first the first runner-up. Because the first runner-up role is also very crucial. Even in case that Miss Cebu 2016 cannot fulfill her duties, the first runner-up will then immediately take her place.